SURGIFLO Hemostatic Matrix Kit is a flowable gelatin matrix and human thrombin combination that has been shown to be effective at achieving hemostasis in cases of mild oozing, moderate flowing blood, and pulsatile spurting bleeding. Once bleeding has ceased, irrigate excess SURGIFLO away gently so as not to disturb the new clot. When used in appropriate amounts, SURGIFLO is absorbed completely within 4 to 6 weeks. Preparation of SURGIFLO is simple, needle-free, and faster than FLOSEAL. Additionally, SURGIFLO uniquely offers the flexibility of preparing the thrombin inside or outside the sterile field. So, depending on the workflow during the case, the OR team can decide whether the circulating nurse or scrub prepares the thrombin. This can help maintain procedure cadence, maximizing expensive OR time. SURGIFLO Hemostatic Matrix mixed with thrombin solution is indicated in surgical procedures other than ophthalmic as an adjunct to hemostasis when control of bleeding by ligature or other conventional methods is ineffective or impractical. The pre-moistened gelatin matrix mixes uniformly with the thrombin to ensure the matrix retains consistency throughout the length of the syringe and over 8 hours working time.